All right, folks, what I want to do right in front of your very eyes, I want to make a recording so you can see the software in action. We're going to post to a couple of different cities, and we're just going to let the software do its thing. We're going to use the VPN settings, and I just wanted to show you this so that you could see proof. That's what's necessary in today's society. You need proof, so that's what I want to show you. So this is the all-in-one Backpage ad poster. And we're going to post to the business category today. So I'm going to go ahead and load my details up. All right. Sean's profile, I only have one selected here. One here, I'd only save one. So that's what we have. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to go ahead and test my link here. I already have that there, and okay. You always want to test your link just to make sure that Backpage is not going to have a problem with it. And sometimes even when it does pass this test, later on they may not like it later on. So you may be posting several hundred ads and they just may not like it at that point, but at least we know it's good to go before we start. Gotta love Backpage. Okay, so it says this link would be approved. Great. That's what I want to hear. So we've done that. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the main program tab. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my little headline here. Now, if I was running hundreds of different ads, I would spin my content. But for this example here, I'm not. So that's going to be our headline. And matter of fact, just for the purpose of this video, let me just spin it. Just do a couple of spins here just to show that the function that does work. So we'll say -1, just so you can see it. We'll just have 3 different variations. 10, 100. Just putting some random stuff there. It doesn't really matter what the numbers are. So we'll go here, get rid of that. This is a quick and easy way, a lazy way of spinning your content versus having 3 different pieces of text that are totally different. I just added some numbers just to make the content different because that's how Backpage sees it. They see those numbers as being different. So I'll be lazy again, and I'll just add this for my body text. Copy. Paste that down there. You always want to format it in a text document. That way you know that how it's seen here, with everything on its own individual line, then that's how it's going to appear when the ad is posted. So, okay. So my capture is good. Great. I'm going to have a 10-second delay after the ad has been placed. I'm not going to have a delay after the email link has been clicked on. And we will post to all cities in the business, not the business opportunities, but the business category. And we will do VPN settings. And just for the purpose of this, I'm not going to have it switch to IP address. I'm just going to, allow it to basically set the IP address initially. So let me drag the hide my ass. This is the interface, and I'm just going to leave that kind of out of the window so that my real IP address is not shown. So you'll see that the software will connect it and do all that on its own. So everything here is set. Okay. I'm setting this for change the IP address after 6 ads have been placed, but we're not going to make it to 6 ads. But if we were to post that many ads, it would change the IP address after the 6th ad has been placed. So anyway, that is how that would work. So the only thing we need to do now is hit the start button, okay? And we will let the software do the heavy lifting. You see it disconnected the VPN. If you've seen over here, it changed from connect to now it's doing its thing. It's working. You can't see it, but it's working. Like I said, I'm not trying to show my details. So you'll see that it will connect to an IP address and it will be listed here. And if it doesn't, then it will try it again until it gets it an IP address. Because sometimes Hide My Ass does not, they're not quick all the time to provide that IP address. So the software will make sure it will query again and seek another IP address. So that's exactly what it just did. And it will continue to do this until it does get an IP address out of Hide My Ass. So you don't have, all this happens automatically in the background. You don't have to worry about doing anything with Hide My Ass other than what I teach you in the video that you'll see once you make your purchase. So sometimes this process is very quick. Sometimes it can take Hide My Ass a couple of times to get it right. But that's not for you to worry about. That's something for the software to take care of. Let's see if it comes up with an IP address this time. Nope. So that's good that you're seeing this, because I don't want anyone to have questions about, well, why is it looking like it's going to go in this continuous loop? It's just that I Hide My Ass right now. Either they must be very busy for this location, this area. Their server must be very busy or something of the sort. But either way, no biggie. It's going to find one here in the next, either this time or the next time it does it. So it looks like it found one. We'll see. And it found one, as you can see. So what it's going to do from here is it's going to proceed to go ahead and put your content down there. You can see that it's doing it right in front of you. It's going to go ahead and solve the CAPTCHA. If it doesn't do it the first time, it's going to go and continue to make sure that it gets that CAPTCHA right. So if it does not get the CAPTCHA right, it'll go and try it 3 more times before it moves on to the next city. And all this is happening without you doing anything. As long as you have your CAPTCHA details set, you're good. So then it moves on from your ad was just basically placed. Now it has to be verified. So there's an email that's sent to your email address, which is why you need a Gmail account. And the software will go in there and click on that email link. So this is my email account, the test email account with over 700,000 email addresses, emails in there. It's crazy. All right. So it opens that email up, gets what it needs to get. It deletes the email so that you don't have a bunch of emails sitting in your inbox. And then it verifies that ad, and this is what you'll see step number 4, letting you know that it's a done deal. All right. So this video doesn't take forever and a day. We see Auburn right? I'm going to pause the software right there. Thought I paused it. Okay. I'm going to pause the software right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to another browser that I'm going to bring up here. We're going to check, make sure. Let me pull up Backpage. Now this ad can take anywhere from 60 seconds or so to 30 minutes. But let's see here. Auburn. Let me go back to Backpage. Auburn. So it's going to take some time. Let's see. And what I'll do is I'll pause the software because it could take up to a half an hour, and then we'll come back when it's posted. Okay, folks, so we're back. I didn't want you to wait that long for the software to actually, well, for Backpage per se, to populate that ad, but it only took maybe 3 minutes. So you probably can expect from 1 to 30 minutes for it to appear, but usually within the first 5 minutes it should be there. So there it is. So I haven't even clicked on it yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and refresh it so you know that it's real. In the business services section, and there we go. That's our ad. Pretty simple stuff. Anyway, folks, I just wanted to show you so the software does work. I'm not going to sit here and waste your time and post to multiple different cities. You can see it for what it is. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me, support@SeanWalters.com. But that's it for this video, and thank you for your time.